Hi folks, I'm Nate with Two Guys to Ride, and today I'm taking the all-new redesigned 2025 Buick Enclave for a POV or point of view drive, so you can see what it's like to ride in one. Let's go for a ride.
Today we're working with our friends at Snell Motors in beautiful Mankato, Minnesota.
Continue on 610th Avenue for half a mile. We found a faster route via US 14 West, which saves 3 minutes. If you prefer to stay on the current route, tap no thanks.
Yeah, pretty good acceleration there. Bit of a rolling start, but peppy enough.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Old US Highway 14, Parkway Avenue. Turn right onto Old US Highway 14, Parkway Avenue.
You know, in terms of fit and finish, it is really nice in here. Now, this is the Avenir trim level, but as far as gaps and cracks and just the way things fit together, it's very polished. I really like the way things are laid out in here with this curved screen. Just makes it, you know, it's curved towards the driver, so it's very easy to reach up and get the buttons. And you've got this nice little ledge here to rest your hand on if you're doing something with the infotainment screen. All right, we'll give it a bit of a rolling start acceleration test here in a minute. Oh, yeah, there's some definite torque there. You know, I think of acceleration, I think of, you know, the on-ramp to the highway and then, you know, passing a vehicle. And so, you know, if you're sitting at highways, you know, low, well, roughly highway speed, and then you need to pass somebody, if you punch it, yeah, there's plenty of get up and go. You wouldn't have to worry about it. Well, I gotta tell you, it is very quiet in here. I mean, the only thing you hear is the sound of the engine. Now, in terms of safety, this is absolutely loaded. You know, you've got a forward collision assist, you got rear backup braking, you've automatic braking, you've got blind zone assist, you've got bicycle and pedestrian sensors. I mean, it'll pick them up and warn you. It has the 360 camera system, so, and a whole list of other safety features, but it is just packed. Now this does have massaging seats, which is a nice feature. And the seats themselves are very comfortable. I mean, it's a nice ride. All right, let's find a place to park and see how easy it is to park. Well, if I throw on the cameras here, and there I can get my front view. So I can see I'm within the lines, and I can see that I'm not over the line there. All right, so let's try backing up. All right, so you can see I'm within the lines. You can see that I'm not crossing the line. So, you know, in terms of just maneuvering around town, taking it grocery shopping, it's easy to maneuver. I do wish the camera took up more of the screen. That's the only thing, and I don't think if we go into settings, we can't make that any bigger. But I wish it was this big. But the camera resolution is good nonetheless. All right, so after riding in this for a bit, I gotta say, this is really nice. I mean, you know, the fit and finish are nice, you know, as far as gaps between things, but just the layout and the materials used is just really pleasant. You know, the word I can think of to kind of describe it overall is refined. I mean, it is just on the materials on the door. They're soft to put your arms on. It's really nice. Now this has a really nice HUD or heads-up display that shows basic driving information on the windshield. So it's right in front of you. You don't have to look down at your dashboard. Some people like them, some people don't. I really like them. This one will do, of course, your speed, your cruise setting, your gap setting, that kind of stuff. It'll show the speed limit sign for the area. And it will show your turn-by-turn navigation. And I think it's a great feature. I mean, the sound in here is really dampened. That's probably as quiet as I've ever heard it. Well, that's it for the drive, folks. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.